Welcome to Eagles Connect, the new online portal from Eagles Plumbing Plus. Eagles Connect gives you access to invoices, payments, orders, quotes, and so much more. In this tutorial, we'll take you through how to use the product catalogue in Eagles Connect. Start by clicking the light blue Product Catalogue and Pricing button on the home screen. On the left panel, you'll see the item categories of available products. When you select a specific category, the list will show all of the relevant products. You can then drill down further with subcategories to make finding your products a breeze. You can see your cost price as well as the competitive market price for a huge range of our products. If you'd like to save specific products that you order regularly, click the gold star next to that product, and this will add it to your favorites. Likewise, you can see your frequently ordered products in My Top 50. You can also use the search bar at the top left to find what you're looking for. In addition to viewing the price, you can start an order from within the product catalogue by clicking Add to Order or Add to Quote. You'll see these products in the order summary or quote summary on the right panel. Here you can change the quantity or remove products. And finalize your order or quote from here. To learn more about Eagles Connect, check out our other tutorial videos. If you have any questions, contact your local Eagles Plumbing Plus branch manager.